Here I have DOOGEE T10, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section and go to the reset options and select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap erase all data, then once again, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.